This isn't the mic app that I like. I can't find it, but I've got it on one of my older units. For some reason, I can't find it on the new Play Store. It's buried with a bunch of other crap ones. But anyways, the other one you could change the gain on the mics. So I just want to show you that if I tickle this mic here, it will. You won't hear on this video, but you will hear it in here. I'll do the same thing over here so you know it's not just picking it up. Something. It's not. The mic ain't that good. It ain't picking up. The one up here is not picking up me rubbing on this one, is what I'm trying to say. So you can't hear me in the background probably. So I'll play this. Okay, so there's this one up here. Sorry, the lighting's not so good right now, but it's right there. I'm gonna make some louder. You can hear it, probably hear. Don't know if you can hear that on this video, but I'll make some louder noise on the steering wheel, which is closer to that, to prove that it's not picking me up, tickling this one. Okay, I'll play it. Okay, now I'll test the one up here. I'll tickle it just like I did this one. You can't hear me on the video tickling it, but you definitely will hear. Now this mic up here is not the one that came with this EKIY unit. It's one from one of my other ones, better ones. But this mic is pretty decent. It's not total crap like all the rest of them. But I can turn, on this one, I can turn this mic off in the settings. I had it off, I turned it on just for this. But anyways, and also in the join, you can do the same thing too. It's kind of a pain in the butt. You got to find it. I don't know if I can in my other one in my truck, but it don't matter. They're all on. Even though you got one plugged into the back, both of them are on, running all the time, and one cancels the other out a little bit. When you turn this one off, this one up here sounds a lot better. That one just will always sound like shit. I don't even know why they put them in there. They should just leave them out. But anyways.